It's a quick video just to show you something neat that I found, but I thought I'd show the iframe. So here I've got an external WordPress website that's loaded in the iframe. You need to rewrite the content security policy headers, which can be done and put into the functions PHP. But I have the website builder. Just got to take it into a new website. I've signed up for this, so you're able to create your own AI websites. So you can do a blank one or build a complete site. At the moment they are doing extensions so they can look at a website and then copy it and build it. So I just do a quick demonstration. So this, you can sit down with your client and go through the process, or you can get a load of demo websites and let them choose. But for this, I'm just going to use AI to write the text, the copy. You can rewrite it and put your own stuff there. I'm just happy with that, just to so then it goes and gets a load of pictures that you can choose to use, or Unsplash or Pexels. So I'm happy with them. Continue. This is going to be your customer details. Right, so now there's structures of the website. Find out which one you like the look of. So I'll use that one. Start building the website. So that took about 2 minutes to load up. So then it's got your details of the login details. Obviously you need to make a copy of them. So this is the site it made. Obviously it's put in demo data. It's picked up all the different services sections that you'd have. There's the phone number to put in, the address. Okay, it's a first draft. And if you have a look up here, right, so it's got more dummy data in there. And if we log into the back end, so obviously these are the username and password that it's created on the site. So it's built on Astra and Spectra. No plugins installed. So all you need to do then is go to add a new plugin. If you look for the all-in-one migration, install that. Go back to your high-level dashboard on the website, and then you can transfer that over to the new website on GHL.